Chapter 10: Treasury, Role and Functions. Treasury in a financial context refers to the management of an organization's finances, including cash flow, investments, financing, and risk management. It plays a crucial role in ensuring liquidity and financial stability. Integrated Treasury concept. Integrated treasury combines both domestic and foreign exchange treasury functions into a single unit. It aims to enhance efficiency, optimize resources, and mitigate risks associated with diverse financial operations. Objectives of integrated treasury: 1. Liquidity management, ensuring that the organization has enough cash to meet its obligations. 2. Risk management, mitigating risks related to interest rates, foreign exchange, and liquidity. 3. Profit maximization, earning revenue through trading and investment activities. 4. Cost reduction, reducing transaction and administrative costs through integration. 5. Efficient fund utilization, ensuring optimum use of available resources. Role and functions of integrated treasury. 1. Fund management. Managing cash inflows and outflows. Optimizing the utilization of funds through investment and lending. 2. Forex management. Managing foreign exchange transactions. Hedging against currency risks. Monitoring exchange rate fluctuations. 3. Investment management. Investing surplus funds in safe and profitable avenues. Maintaining a balance between risk and return. 4. Risk management. Identifying financial risks related to interest rates, foreign exchange, and liquidity. Using derivatives and hedging strategies to mitigate risks. 5. Asset liability management, ALM. Monitoring mismatches between assets and liabilities. Managing interest rate and liquidity risks. 6. Dealing room operations. Facilitating trading activities, including forex and money market instruments. Managing interbank transactions. 7. Compliance and reporting. Adhering to regulatory requirements and internal policies. Regular reporting to management and regulatory bodies. Advantages of integrated treasury. 1. Operational efficiency, reduces duplication of efforts. 2. Enhanced risk management, consolidated view of risks. 3. Cost savings, streamlined processes, lower operational costs. 4. Better decision making, real-time data improves financial decisions. 5. Revenue enhancement, integrated approach aids in better investment and trading strategies. An integrated treasury system is vital for modern financial institutions as it ensures efficiency, profitability, and robust risk management. It brings together various financial functions under one roof, thereby promoting better coordination and decision-making.